Welcome to Journaling Gem Life, or welcome back if you've been here before. Today we are looking at Harriet Wright Designs and we are unboxing the exclusive artwork bundle. This is like, I think it's quite similar to the monthly subscription kit, but it doesn't have any monthly, I think. So now this is for April, and let's just go ahead and unbox this. I am so excited. This is my first one, so I'm so excited. So let's just go right in. Now, I paid, I believe I paid £30 for this kit, and I have heard since then that she have upped her price a bit, so I think they might be £40 now. I'm not quite sure because I went on her page and there's no new kit out available, so I don't know if she's not doing a kit for next month or what is going on. I don't know, but I just did a one-time purchase and I paid $30. Now if you do a subscription on these, I believe it used to be £21, but probably if she has upped the price, then that also might be a bit higher, but I don't know. So I am not affiliated in any way with Harriet Wright Designs, so I do not have a code for you in this video, but we're still gonna do this and I'm very, very excited. So first of all, in this kit you do not get any vellums or dashboards or anything like that. I did get this Harriet Wright Designs card, and it does have, I'm not going to show you, but on the back it has all the information and like thank you for your purchase, and also a code for me to use for my next purchase as well. So that's why I'm not showing you. But other than that, we only have the sticker sheets, and it's supposed to be 11 sheets. So let's see. I am so excited for this. And I have never tried these stickers before, so I am stoked. Okay, so this has this is with silver foiling on it, and they are beautiful. Let me grab a piece of paper to put this on, because this is washi material, and so we are going to look at this. I'm going to put my glasses down and look at this. Look at this gorgeous house with the branches are in silver, and also a lot of silver on the the balloon over here, and then you have some shop. And then these two are full like washi strips, and it has a lot of foiling on it and teeny tiny elements. Yeah, they're beautiful. I love the color blue like this, making my spreads completely blue. And then the next sheet is this one, and it sort of goes in the same kind of theme. You have like the dress and some smaller I think these are kind of water bubbles or something, and since you have a boat, it's sort of a maritime look to it, and with the bag, and it has a lot of silver foiling. Loving it. It is really, really pretty. Then we have this one with a mini scooter on it, and again some boat, and these, wow, this is gorgeous. So this is the same as, actually it's not, it's well, yes it is. It's the same as this one, just a lot bigger. That is gonna be great for a dashboard. And then it says live in the moment in silver foiling. It is so beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Then we have some without any foiling, with some girls. And I love these flowers. These are my favorite. Getting those in all kinds of color, purple, blue, white, pink. Those are definitely my favorite. So beautiful. And then we have this one. These are more like elements. So you have some like washi rip-off strips. And here you have some washi. And with some silver foiling. Loving this. And just this outdoor space right here. Oh, that's pretty. And this bottle with some flowers in there. Absolutely amazing. Loving them. I do not regret this. Now, okay, we're gonna have a discussion on price-wise and things like that afterwards, but and the couch and the blue bow. I love bows. And also some like for background. That's gonna be nice. And another dress and the flowers. It's gonna look so pretty. And then we have some florals. I love that. With silver foiling. So you have some great pieces here for flower, like with flowers. And oh, that's gonna look nice. And then we have one sheet that has these, I think these are corners and edges. So you have sort of 2 corners and 2 edges and then some elements. That's gonna look stunning in the book. Just having this like in one page of the book, it's gonna be so beautiful. And I find that with florals, you don't really have to add a whole lot because it's so decorative by its own. And then we have an even bigger piece. Wow. I think, okay, so this is cut. And so you have 2 corner pieces right here, and then you have one big one. Look how beautiful. Oh, I cannot wait to use this. Ooh, that's gonna be amazing. And then we have here again, like a washi, kiss cut washi strip and 2 corners along with some elements. And this one does not have foiling. So it's a good match, like mix and match when it comes to foiling and not foiling. And then lastly, we have this sheet, which has a few boxes and some dots. And then you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks of Monday to Sunday. And of course, the numbers are colored with the same color as the rest. And then you have, what does it say? I need my glasses for this to read. So it says birthdays, important to do, watching, priorities, reading, favorites, highlights, goal, and next month. So there are the sheets. And as you've seen, there are no month on this, so I can use it whenever I want, which was exactly why I ordered this and not the monthly, because I do think the monthly is kind of similar, but it doesn't have like these big, super big pictures, I think. But it does have a lot of florals. It does have some of the same things, but like on here, you will have the month. So here it would be saying like April, and you would have one sheet with the calendar, April calendar, and that is not in this kit. But so let's see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 sheets. And 5 of the sheets have foiling and 5 does not have foiling. So a pretty good mix and match, I think. Now, I paid 30 pounds for this. And I don't know, I only like, my natural comparison would be to the Rosy Life planner, because that's what I have been using for like a year now. And I mean, you do get a lot of stickers, but you do not get any dashboards, any kind of vellums or anything. So I think if it is it sort of depends on how much stickers you lay down, because this is a really good kit. It is. And for the price, I would say it's a normal price. It's not like super cheap when it comes to what you get in the packet, but it's not super expensive either. So I think it's right in there with all the other kits when it comes to what you pay and what you get. But you do get a lot, so you can get a long way with this in like, I don't know, I could definitely do like the monthly, the daily dashboard, and all of the weeks. I don't know how many pages I would get from the daily if you journal 1 page per day, but I'm guessing maybe you could get around, I don't know, maybe you could stretch it to a couple of weeks, but I haven't tried it, so I don't know. That's just my guess. So yeah, I'm thinking this was a pretty good kit, and I will not be subscribing to her kit yet, because first of all, I am doing the Rosy Life one at the moment, so I want to keep doing just one kit and get everything I need from that kit. And as long as I have the Rosy Life, I do have that. And since I now see that she's not come out with anything new, then I mean, if I just go with one kit and suddenly she doesn't have anything, then I don't have any stickers for a whole month. And so that makes me really unsecure about getting a subscription right now, at least. So, but we are trying them in my planner later on, and I will of course show you how that is going to look. So that was just a short video today. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will talk to you again soon. Bye.